Yo, DZ fam, what up? GME. 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 Yo, GME warrants almost hit $4 today. GME hit $4. GME warrants hit $4 today, y'all. GME warrants hit $4 today, y'all. Yeah, there. Oh, Bitcoin. Hey, Bitcoin high or low. Bounce back, as I said, bro. Bitcoin high or low. Bounce back, like I said, bro. Bitcoin high or low. Bounce back, like I said, bro. XRP just blasted off. Anything under $2 is a steal. XRP just blasted off 217 for real. XRP's up 7.5% on the day. I'm finna make this video in about an hour, bro. It's a short stream. It's a short stream. We're gonna make this video in about 3:15. I'm gonna make a video. It's gonna be a short stream, 3-hour stream today. XRP is about to go crazy. I'm trying to tell you guys, they're trying to shake you out of your XRP. They're trying to shake you out of your XRP. They're trying to shake you out. They're trying to shake you out. SPY is topping out, guys. SPY filled the gap. SPY filled the gap and is now, it's topping out, man. It's topping out, man. We might, is this a bull flag, though? We might see one more pop before we drop. Giving us that slight green week. I try to tell everybody slight green week, man. Right now we're slight red. Right now we're slight red. We're only down 0.31%, so we should get a slight green week. But we're definitely losing momentum on the bigger scale of things. That's what guys can't see. We hit 683.82. That's it for 683 yesterday. Bitcoin bouncing back, major resistance at 92,000. Run amok. GameStop 23.26. GameStop new local high 23.27. Yeah. AMC came down to 230, as I said. I said 230, 225. Probably got to retest that. AMC retested it, baby. It's all good. AMC, the only thing I'm worried about is that freaking dilution. Okay, new intraday highs for GameStop. New intraday highs for GameStop. Bro, warrants are up like 100% off of the lows. Warrants are up like 100%. Warrants are up 58% off of the lows. GameStop is gonna make me money. GameStop gonna make me money. I always get compliments on my Naruto hoodie and my Jordans. I don't know why. Give me a banger on a beat. Yeah. Banger on a beat, banger on a beat. Yo, I want to thank everybody who followed my second channel because the second channel is doing numbers. Yeah. So, yep, that's what female rappers do. Sell kitty for music. Yep, or for cash. That's what female rappers do nowadays. And pollute the youth. That's all they do. Yo, shout out to everybody who followed my second channel, More Data Zero, because it's growing. Not only is the channel growing, but it might become monetized here shortly. All right, this has way more views than 0 views. Dreaded combination of kill. 20 likes? Combination of kill switch pistols and surf cube strike again. $20 likes? Yeah, so shout out everybody following my second channel because we're getting some good views on that channel. So thank you. 1K view, 1.5, 1.9, 1.6. 2K views. So I really thank you guys for that. And if you guys like Call of Duty, Fortnite, gaming, you want to check out this channel here. My second channel. Now, after that little self-promotion, let's go back to GameStop. GameStop warrants up GameStop warrants at $4. GameStop warrants at $4. This is major. I got 50 classes for sale. I got 50 classes for sale. First come, first serve. Ten lessons teaching you how to predict like I do. There's gonna be an 11th bonus lesson. You get access to a new Discord plus all other additional teaching content that I create. Price, unfortunately, is $4.99. I just stream. I just wanna stream. Don't care about the numbers or a thing. Just stream. I love streaming. Please don't take streaming. Yo, AMC or GameStop hitting new highs right now as we speak. $23.30, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? GameStop going crazy with it, yeah. What's GME cost to borrow? Did that shit go up? Ooh-wee. Ay. Only 1.6 million short shares for AMC, only 1.6 milli. If you like flashy gaming clips and high action gameplay, you want to check out my second channel. For high action, flashy gameplay. All right? Your boy adds a little style to it. He gets a little stylish with it, okay? He gets a little flashy with it. Edit, reset, edit. That's like 6 edits in 5 seconds. Nope, you don't escape me, dead. Guy try to sneak me, nope. Hold the wall, dared me to edit. Watch how fast I edit on you. Bloop. Ah, he traded, bloop. Hit him, yeah. Flashy with it. Flashy lifestyles. The play, SPY puts, not financial advice. It's like, nah. If you miss BYND's move, then you're out, you know? BYND made a nice little move here. You could have made some bucks off of. You could have made some quick bucks off of this. I would have cashed out. I tried to tell you guys cash out. And then ASST is going back towards 112. Like I said, it's filling the gap. That was a play I talked about yesterday. I said ASST was a very easy, straightforward play. Also, if you want plays, join my Discord. It's $100 for a lifetime invite. Payment made via PayPal or Cash App. Once you make payment, I'll send you the link. I put out technicals, plays, buy signals, sell signals, news, information, and it's a community that's exclusive only to Discord. I think SPY's gonna push up and then pull back. Yeah, SPY's gonna push up the pullback. SPY puts, not financial advice. SPY puts. SPY kaputs. But you wanna wait for the rally. SPY's gonna rally a little bit. SPY kaputs. You know what kaputs means in German, right? Kaput. Okay, Bitcoin's up almost 6% in one single day. Yeah. Bitcoin portfolio. Bitcoin portfolio. Yo, the Bitcoin portfolio is coming back up, so that makes me happy. I don't feel as poor then. I only feel like I have anything once my Bitcoin portfolio goes a little bit higher. Once it goes lower, man, I'm back to poor mode again. So I quickly travel between lower middle class to poverty line very, very quickly. Okay, Jimmy Warren's going crazy. I watched 2 older movies yesterday, and the one thing I'm worried about is, like, why can't they make movies like they used to anymore? Good morning. All right, Bitcoin's kind of surging right now. Spy's gonna do something like this. Not financial advice. Spy's gonna do something like this. Take a picture, take a screenshot, do something. It's gonna come up to 681.99 and then maybe 680, 682.75 and then pull back. I be knowing before it happens. Yeah. That's what technicals do. You can read the charts. I'll teach you how to do it. I know shit's tight right now with Christmas and shit like that, but you guys gotta hop on this class. We got 50 of them only. $92,100. Yo, Bitcoin is moving, guys. Bitcoin, short squeezing. Yo, Black, what's good with you, bro? Where you been, dog? All right, spy tracking. Kaput! The red ghost. The red ghost. The XRP's up 8% in one single day. XRP's up 8% in one single day, guys. ADA's up 10%. Bitcoin's up almost 6%. Ethereum's up almost 8%. It's at 7.92. XRP's up 8%. And Cardano ADA's up 10%. So crypto is moving, guys. Crypto's really bouncing right now. Okay, imagine that. SPY tracking. Bro, if you don't give me free crypto, I'm gonna slap you.
In the case of nuclear or radiological fallout, people living around potential targets such as military bases and
time for a commercial. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta do it. I gotta do what I gotta do, bro. Gotta do what I gotta do. SMX was definitely the play. Look at this thing, dude. Look how much gains you could have made. If you bought the dip, you could have made 53% this morning alone. SMX, put it on your radar now, before it's too late. This is the play. I feel like SMX about to go back off. I feel SMX about to go back off, y'all. Up, SPY puts, SPY kaputs. SPY kaputs. Yeah, SPY finna pull back. SPY kaputs. Working and listening, hell yeah, bro. Jimmy warrants up. Where's all my freaking... Where's all my GME warrant holders? I need GME warrant holders and XRP holders to the front. I need all my GME holders and all my GME warrant holders and all my XRP holders to the front of the line, please. Once you make it to the front of the line, please type a 2 in the chat. If you hold either GME warrants or XRP, move to the front of the line and then type a 2 in the chat. Nah, SPY's about to go kaput, bro. SPY's going down, not financial advice. SPY about to kaput. You know what kaput means in German, right? All XRP and GME warrant holders to the front of the line, and then once you make it to the front of the line, please type 2 if you have GME warrants or XRP. I've been taking a daily multivitamin every single day, and I feel amazing. I also have been working out. I've been doing calf, or what is it called? It's the thing soccer players do. Oh, calf raises. I've been doing calf raises. I've been doing push-ups and sit-ups. Gotta keep those testosterone levels high. Especially in this day and age where it's constantly under attack. Our T levels. Working out helps me keep my T levels high. That way when she comes through, she gets a lot of... I came through in a fresh whip. She came through, she got a lot of... You upset? Bro says he likes adrenochrome instead of Bitcoin. I'm telling you, SPY's about to go kaput. It won't even make it this high. Oops. SPY's about to go kaput. It might not even make it this high, bro. It's about to go kaput. Yo, if GameStop breaks back over 2315, we might go crazy. Okay, and Bitcoin's not stopping. Bitcoin is not stopping. And GameStop might break and hold 2315. If GameStop breaks and holds 2315, we are back in the game in a big way. And if GameStop warrants break and hold $4, shit could get crazy. Yeah, SPY's showing massive signs of weakness. SPY kaput. I want to see if GameStop can hold 2315, because if we do, bro, we might moon. We might just moon. RSI's too hot, though. Yo, Bitcoin not stopping. Bitcoin not stopping. Bitcoin is literally squeezing right now. Look, we're outside the bands. Bitcoin mini short squeeze. Bitcoin gamma squeeze. A lot of people shorted it when it went back down, but they didn't know it was gonna bounce like I did. It made an inverse head and shoulders. It did it, bro. Didn't I say this in the video? I certainly did. Looks pretty like it's the same to me. DZD. We only need 25 more views to get 1,000 views on this video. So I need everybody to go check out this video right now. We only need 25 more views. And this video was very special because Todd did a 50 gifted at the end. $50 gifted. Thank you, Todd, for the 50 gifted. It will forever be immortalized. $50 gifted from Todd right here. Thank you, Todd, for that. Your 50 gifted is forever immortalized. $50 gifted. Spy's kaput, dude. Spy's kaput! Is anyone else wishing SPY kaput? Does GameStop hold up when SPY kaput?
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Yo, what up, John? What up? John Jingleheimer Smith. SPY kaput. I'm gonna make the video around 3:15. All right, we have a legend in the chat. We have a legend in the chat. Rick just donated a 5-piece. Rick just donated a 5-piece. Legend in the chat. Can we get some hype in the chat, please? Can we get some hype in the chat? Rick just donated a 5-piecer. Okay, we only need 10 more views to get 1,000 views on this video. So someone did indeed help out with that. We only need 10 more views to get 1,000 views on this video right here. So if you want to help out with that, right here is the video you want to check out. If you want to help me out, check out this video. Help me get 1,000 views on that bad boy.
Italy on the track.
Guys, GameStop's not stopping. Yo, thank you for that freaking 5-piece, dude. Rick, you're the man. That's our first super chat of the day.
Italy on the track.
The man, the myth, the legend. So if GameStop breaks and holds 23.15, we go crazy. I just want everyone to know that. Spy kaput. Okay, Bitcoin's starting to see major resistance here at 92,000. Run it back, money over everything. I just want to get a stack. Put the whole world on my back. Put the DZ fam on my back. You already know what it is. Stay on my grind, in my grid. Put it on my back. All I want to do is tell the truth. Another young bull from Philly, all he do is shoot. GameStop's looking kind of beastie here. SMX is now at $50. SPY showing signs of weakness, man. Holy shit. It's gonna go up a little bit higher, then pull back. SPY showing a lot of signs of weakness though.
You have me right on. You.
Just keep it in my business. But you could make me stay. Yo, GameStop's kind of looking fire, y'all. GameStop might pop off here. Running back. GameStop is going crazy, guys. We're above 23.15. Shit could get hot. Shit could get crazy in here. BTC fire, bro. Major resistance, 92,000. And wearing my Dragon Ball Z shirt. I'm feeling anime-y. I'm feeling anime-y. I got my Naruto hoodie on and my Dragon Ball Z shirt on. I'm all animated out. Shonen Jump, bitch. Yeah. All I want to do is tell the truth. Amy's gonna start bouncing soon. Like I said, this week can start off slow, but we should be able to have a green week for both of the meme stocks. GameStop's already up 3% on the week. GameStop green week. GameStop warrants were up last week 25%, and they're up this week 19%. GameStop warrants up 50% plus off the lows. Look at the warrants, bro. I'm telling you, these things are about to go crazy. They're a key part of what's happening. Okay, SPY following my prediction. It's gonna push up slightly, make a lower high, then pull back. SPY following prediction. You could play a call, then a kaput. If GME warrants stay over $4, they're gonna go nuts. And if GME stays over 23.15, we go nuts.
In the case of neutral...
Click, click. Click, click. We're already at 50 likes. Let me make sure I like my own stream. Shout out Rick for our very first super chat of the day and holding down the #1 crown right now. Spy so far tracking, still showing signs of weakness. Okay, Bitcoin might start pulling back. We have a little bit of divergence here. RSI is fading while price is not. Wow, GameStop once holding $4. Things could get crazy, and GameStop also holding $23.15. These are key levels that if we hold, shit could get wild. I would love to see Bitcoin over 92,000. If Bitcoin goes over 92,000, that could also get pretty wild there as well. Let's see if we can find some news or something to put in the video. They're definitely trying to shake people out of Bitcoin. American Bitcoin stock plunges. Like, it doesn't... Bitcoin's going up. Come on, is there nothing going on? There's nothing but the Michael Burry shit, huh? We have Q3 earnings on the 9th? Holy shit. So we have the vote on December 10th and Q3 earnings on the 9th. Well, that's what we're posting about. Yeah, I also seen the Venezuela shit too. I think I'll put that on there. I saw that yesterday. Trump is threatening to attack a country with more oil than Iran. I wonder why they're attacking Venezuela. We already attacked one country for their oil. Now we're attacking another one. Yo, GameStop looks fire, like it's about to explode. SPY is pushing up as expected, and then it should pull back. So you can play a call to put, not financial advice. Oh my god, I cannot wait till ranked Fortnite comes back, dude. Every match I've been playing is like ranked, so I might as well just play ranked every time.
JK, really? That's gonna...
Okay, so spy tracking perfectly. GameStop warrants over $4 and Bitcoin over 92,000. Holy smokes. Let's fucking go. Yo, Todd, I just need to thank you one more time about that 50 gifted. It is on the end of yesterday's video. If you guys want to help me out, help that video get to 1,000 views. We need 10 more views to get that video to 1,000 views. I only need 10. Actually, we only need 6 more views. I only need 6 more views, and it's this video. I'll show you the video. It's this video right here. We only need 6 more views. So if you guys want to help me out with that, you can click this video right here. It only needs 6 more views for 1,000. Trump's always late, bro. How can you be a president and always be late? That shit don't make no sense to me. Todd's gonna be the president of the Datazero. And if you guys want to support my dream and help me out, you guys can follow my second channel.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
And if you follow my second channel, it will help get it monetized. I have to start posting long form videos there though, so I have to start recording all of my gameplay and posting it there. We just got another new subscriber. And once I get 500 subscribers, I can go live. We're at 2,012 subscribers on the second channel. L-U-M-N? Yeah, I told you that John looked fire. I told you that John looked fire.
Yo, 14, you got another one. Hey, DJ, you made this?
Yo, guys, I don't know if you've seen this before, but it would really help me out if you guys hype up my videos. And I'll show you what I mean by that. First of all, do you guys like the Dragon Ball Z shirt? That's the first thing I want to know. Do you guys like the Dragon Ball Z shirt? Let me know if you guys like the Dragon Ball Z shirt. That's the first thing I need to know. Second, guys, please hype up my videos. We got 8.1K views, and we're number 100 on the leaderboard. Holy smokes. Guys, that's what the hype looks like. And if you see that come up on your phone, please hype my videos. And that's what it looks like right there, hype. It says hype. I'm gonna full screen this. So if you look here, you see how it says hype? So please hype my videos. You see how it says hype? So what you do is you click hype, and that helps me get hype points, which drives the video up. So if you guys really want to help me out, please hype my video. We have 9,100 hype points on this video, so some of you guys have done it, and I appreciate that. That helps lift me up. And if you look, what that does is put you on a leaderboard, and I'm number 100 on this leaderboard, so my video will be down further. So if you guys want to help me out, please hype my videos. Yeah, I only think you get a few hype every day. Did I miss a super chat? Why would you give the AP Press a super chat? Like, there's so many other people. GameStop just made a new intraday high, and Bitcoin's over 92,000. Yeah, spy tracking, it's gonna fade here. Not financial advice. I just wanna tell the truth. For a hater load of challenge to money over everything what I do. You already know how I move. All I do is make my move. Christmas game early. Yeah. 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 All I wanna do is tell the truth. Haters love to sell and shoot. Money over everything, even you. You already know exactly how I do. I just wanna tell the truth. Money over everything, even you. Couple haters love to sell and shoot. Yeah. What they gonna be, what they gonna do? Money over everything, even you. Sad state of affairs, but I'm only telling the truth. Gotta get rich or die trying. Money over everything, why they always lying? See me look high in the sky, yeah, I'm flying. We got 82 people in the building. We need to run these numbers up. Share the stream. Share the
For a long
stream.
time, the stereotype about dads was that they're unengaged and uninformed as parents.
Guys, please like and retweet. Please like and retweet. Hey yo fam, must see news for AMC and Genie holders. Check it out. So if you haven't heard, GameStop has Q3 earnings after hours on December 9th. And AMC has a proxy vote December 10th, ladies and gentlemen. And on top of all of that, December 10th and 9th, we have Jolt's job opening data drop, which is major, and we have a Fed interest rate decision and a Fed press conference. So, ladies and gentlemen, December 9th and 10th are going to be insane across the board for all stocks and crypto, ladies and gentlemen. The market's expecting them to cut again. I think they might pause, but the market's expecting them to cut again. By the way, just a heads up, the market is expecting them to cut rates again. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto news, information, and predictions. Peace. Spy kaput! Yeah, SPY's about to drop, guys. SPY kaputs. The Nextel phone is probably on a beat.
We're so grateful for our family.
Degrees where I'm at right now. 81 degrees where I'm at right now. Money over everything, that's the countdown. You already know, man, I gotta hold it down. Got a whole world on my problem yet amounts. Count it up, then we rack it up. Stacks, fuck that shit, then we back it up. Racks, you already know how we do this shit. Swag, you already know how we do this shit. Swag. Talk that shit, then I back it up. Get that money, then I pack it up. Talk that shit, then you can get packed up. I'm in a festive mood today, if you guys can't tell. We also have Fed interest rate decision. Festive mood rocks. DW with the 10. We just got our biggest super chat of the day. DW just got a 10, yay. We just got a 10 piece from DW, bro. And you've been going crazy lately because you definitely showed out yesterday too as well, man. I appreciate you. Damn, we're getting more Instagram followers. If you guys can follow me on Instagram, we're almost at 700. We might be able to hit 1,000 Instagram followers. If you guys could follow me on Instagram, I'd really appreciate it.
I can't pay my rent. My friend told me about
Spy's trying to hang on, man. Spy's trying to hang on like Spy does. God. Can it just ever fall?
I was making so much money with DoorDash. I wanted to earn money in my free time, but I didn't.
It's probably going to be more closer to power hour if Spy pulls back. GameStop slipping a little bit. GameStop slipping a little bit. Yeah, SPY is tracking though. SPY is tracking. This is true. Yeah, please thank DW for that. Please thank DW for that 10 piece. That's huge. It doesn't give you very much time to respond.
Sometimes the smallest part.
Guys, as you know, I will be heading up to Pennsylvania. And I won't be back till January 4th. I'm gonna take my setup with me though. Cause you guys want me to stream like I did last time from the hotel room, right? Shit costs bands. Living in a hotel for freaking weeks at a time. Yeah, I know. It's a good reason I come to the cold, or trust me, I wouldn't. It's a good reason that I go in the cold, or I wouldn't even do it, bro. Okay, Bitcoin is now officially up 6% on the day, guys. Bitcoin officially up 6% on the day. Cardano ADA up 11.5% on the day. Cardano ADA heading towards 50 cents. Holy smokes. Okay, we just got another super chat. We're getting a little bit of a hype train going. We're getting a little bit of a hype train going here.
£100 fire key. Could I get my plug prediction, brother? Rocket, 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 rocket. Festive moods rock.
Okay, so remember I said this thing's going back to 215. I swear I said 210, 215. I swear that's what I said. It's probably gonna head back towards you're gonna head back towards 230, bro. But you need to break above this support and resistance, and right now RSI is hot, so you'll probably see a little bit. You'll probably see this. You'll come up, reject, pull back, and then from there you'll be able to push back to the upside after consolidating some period down here. So you're gonna come up to about 215, reject from that level, pull back, come back down to about $2, find support around $2, maybe a little bit lower, and then you'll come up back up towards 220 is what I'm thinking you'll see here for plug power. This is what I got for plug power, bro. And thank you for the 5-piece. That's huge, bro. We're getting a little bit of a hype train, man. Let's get that hype in the chat. Let's get that hype in the chat. I got you. And the class is out, bro. The class is officially out. And it's on YouTube. No way. All right, you guys are showing love. Get me prepared for my PA trip. Thank you. DataZero fam getting ready, me prepared for my PA trip so I can splurge on my son again. Chris with the 5 gifted. Chris with the 5 gifted, and he just did a 5-piece. You didn't have to do the 5 gifted afterwards, bro. That's legendary. Thank you. Hype in the chat right now, please. Looks like Justin, Brockman, Nate, Savage, Aaron, and Mind Chaos all just got gifted a free membership for Chris. And that's gonna last for a month.
This thing, it looks like an ordinary.
Yeah, Bitcoin's going crazy. Cardano 8 is up 11.5%. Pump my bags. Yo! You guys are too kind, dude. What the fuck? Disruption of Fall Products just joined the fam. Becoming a member. And that's mega huge. Dude, thank you. Shout out Disruptions. If you got some type of small business or something, shout it out, bro. Spy still tracking here. Thank you for becoming a member. We got 95 people in the building right now. Oh shoot, our second channel has 213 subscribers. That really helps me out because it's gonna help get my second channel monetized. So thank you guys. If I get 500 subscribers, I can start going live. My second channel's right here. If you want to help me out, just follow it. Because I need to get 500 subscribers that's part of the goal to get monetized. This is my second channel. I'm going to post the link right now. I just need to get 500. We're almost halfway there. I've been posting gaming clips and then I'll post stuff I can't post on this channel. Spy tracking, spy tracking. When I'm not doing stocks, I mostly just game. So I'm just gonna start recording that, posting my clips, and see if I can't make a little extra spare change off of that as well. Might as well. Might as well do it, you know what I mean? Like, what's the point of of playing? If I play at a high level that's good enough to be displayed, and I do, why not just record that and post it? That way I'm not just playing for free. Spy tracking, y'all. Spy tracking. You subscribed and you became a member, dude. You're a legend. Thank you, brother. Keith. Oh my God, today you guys are being so generous. Keith with the 5 gifted. Dude, thank you guys. You're a blessing. Thank you, DZ fam. You guys are a blessing today. Thank you, DZ fam. You guys are going crazy. You're a blessing. Keith with the 5 gifted. And Todd with the 5 piece. Todd with the 5 piece now. Todd, you really didn't have to do that, brother. You just did 50 gifted yesterday. Spy pushing up, guys. Spy pushing up. She's a tracking. I don't think I've messed up one dotted line on SPY for the past 3 days on any stream. I think every single dotted line on SPY tracked on first SPY. For the past 3 days. Because you guys allowed me to do this so long, I can just look at the chart. I've gotten so good at reading the chart and certain stocks like SPY and stuff like that, because you guys allow me to do this for a job. So thank you, man. All of this is possible because of you guys. It's all possible because of you. All I do is just try to get better at reading the charts. You guys allow me to do this as a job, and now I can read the chart stupid. So you know what happens next, right? Is we trade SPY every day. We trade SPY options every day. Not once a week. Not twice a week. Every single day. Trade this, John. Is this no longer a stock channel? Why would you say that? What are we watching right now? All right, we want to see GameStop get back above 23.15 if possible. SPY is tracking crazy, guys. Yo, thank you. Shout out Todd. Keith Investments, bro. And Disruption Fall Products. I got the dotted line on the screen. This is all I can do. I'm just gonna trust my TA, bro. I'm not gonna change it, nothing, because anytime I change, you know what happens. SPY looks like it's building a lot of bullish momentum, though. I could be wrong about the pullback. I could be way wrong about this pullback. I will say that off rip. Because SPY 10-minute MACD just went green. Dude,
When
thank you for the super chat.
Can AMC hold with yes vote initially?
Yeah, SPY has a lot of bullish momentum. I could be wrong about this pullback. It'll probably, no, 685 is too high. 685 is too high. You were somebody. The family's giving out gifteds. We have 100 people in the building, by the way. We got 100 people in the building. We got 100 people in the building. 11 brand new members. 11 brand new members, guys. SPY still tracking. SPY still tracking. Oh my God, it's tracking. I'm leaving my prediction. This is all I have. I might be wrong about the pullback. I don't know, guys. It is what it is. I fucking don't know. I just trust my charts. I trust my prediction. That's all I'm saying. Dotted line overrides anything. No matter what dotted line is everything. None of this is financial advice. This is all my research and due diligence. Please do your own research and due diligence for buying any stock or crypto asset and or derivative. Listen, the dotted line is what I think's gonna happen, all right? Every single time. Dotted line overrides everything. Plug would have to break. What is that resistance? Make sure you take a screenshot of these levels. Okay. If it holds this 215, it should be able to go to 230, but RSI is getting too hot. It's gonna do what I said, bro. It's gonna track. It's gonna track, bro. It's gonna track. Just trust me. It's gonna go up a little bit higher and then pull back. I'm telling you. This is what's gonna happen. It might take a little bit longer or shorter, but I'm telling you, it's gonna go a little bit above this support and resistance, fake it out, and not be able to hold it because the RSI is already too hot and this rally is already too far. You already rallied too far from the bottom. So you're gonna have to pull back and then come back down and retest support and then go back up. It's just the ebb and flow of how stocks flow. This is a trick. LUMN has to break above $9 and hold that to continue up, but RSI is hot, so it's probably gonna pull back. XRP's at 217. GameStop 2303. AMC 233. SPY 682.24. SPY tracking. I just trust the charts, facts, and data, man. And every time I second guess myself, every time I say, oh, well, maybe that's not gonna happen, or maybe I'm gonna be wrong. Every time I do that, I'm wrong. So I'm telling you all now, once you do your research, once you do your due diligence, stick to it. Because every single time I second guessed myself and just didn't listen to my original prediction, I regretted it. Literally every single time. I can't recall one time in my mind where I said, well, maybe where I did research, I made a prediction, and then I changed my prediction and second guessed myself, and then where I was right. Every single time I do that, it just does what I said it was gonna do, and if I just followed the original plan, I would have been fine. You just have to do your research, trust yourself, and let it play out. So this is what I got on the freaking chart. This is what I'm sticking with. And look, I'm not saying there's always a chance to be wrong. I've been on point lately, so I'm waiting for a mistake to happen, because if you look at my last couple of streams, I've been crushing SPY. So, but this is, look, it's starting to follow already. It's starting to follow already. This is only possible because of you guys. You guys allowed me to do this for so many hours that I am mastering. I'm starting to master being able to read SPY and other stocks, especially SPY, because you start to learn characteristics of that stock when you analyze it for a long time. You learn how it moves and you learn how it flows. So I'm just really worried because it's showing a lot of signs of bullishness, and it could definitely push up here. That's the only thing scaring me on SPY right now. Like, it's showing massive signs of like it wants to go. It's showing massive signs that it wants to go. And this could be a bigger macro flag here where you see SPY break out of here, and then it will hit that 685 target. And it will start off slow, like I said. This week will start off slow, but everything should end up more bullish than when it started. Especially if SPY makes this move. So even if we pull back in the short term, I think SPY is going to start pumping here soon. And NASDAQ is, yeah, tracking. All right, time to make the video. Let's do this. This beat is disgusting, by the way.
In the case of nuclear...
Oh my God! That is the Wicked Witch of the West. My God, she's got a beak on her. And then the makeup she's wearing just accentuates her odd features. Whoever did her makeup needs fired immediately, because you could put makeup on to make her not look as uncanny, but the makeup they put on her like accentuates her features, her odd features. What the freak is going on? That's gotta be a lizard person, right? That has gotta be a lizard person. It's gotta be, right? 100%. Freaking lizard person. It has to be. What is happening, bro? Look at all the idiots posting stupid stuff over here, spamming and stuff. They're like so brain dead. They're just spamming their stupid messages. They're like MAGA or MAGA shut up and liberal and bro, stop classifying yourself. That's what they want you to do. Classify yourself into little fucking segments so they can manipulate you. Think bigger. Think bigger. Instead of classifying yourself in the, oh, I'm a liberal, I'm a Democrat, I'm a Republican. No, you are a human being. And classifying yourself makes you more susceptible to being brainwashed. What is tomorrow? Look at that neck! My God! She's got a neck on her. Oh my God, what's happening? The world's going to hell. Shorty said, is it no more a stock channel? We've got to be reaching out of gas here for GameStop, or we're going to have to pull back. I think we're making the peak. Yeah, see, we're making that same peak, bro. Look at it. We're gonna make it. Shit is crazy. Oh, we just got a new subscriber. Thank you. We just got a new subscriber. We're at 16,530. Listen, if you guys want to support the channel for absolutely free, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. You see all the love the DZ fam is showing. They're giving out free memberships to people. A lot of people just got free memberships. Make sure you guys have gifting enabled to get your chance to get a free membership. I also give away memberships sometimes. So lock in, tune into the live streams. I still believe we're like here in this topping process. GME might be able to hold 23.15 and pop to the upside, but we're gonna have to pull back down and fill the gap. And there's buy orders right where the gap fill is. There's a gap fill in the daily time frame at 21.84 to 22.02, and look where the buy orders are. I'm telling you, GameStop's gonna go up and pull back, and there's buy orders right there with that. They're waiting for GameStop to come back down to the gap fill to buy, and then it's gonna run back up. I'm telling you, GameStop's about to explode, y'all. GameStop's about to explode. GameStop's about to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first, by the way. BTC. Let me check in on here. We're we're gonna potentially rally up and then pull back, but I'm gonna explain that BTC could see a nasty, disgusting move back to the upside if this happens, and we're gonna talk about that. All right, guys, I think I'm ready for the video. I think I'm ready for the video. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Wednesday. Wednesday we have ISM services PMI.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
All right. SPY is still tracking. SPY is still tracking. Thank God. SPY is still tracking. By the way, guys, like and subscribe. 11 brand new members today. That's heat. 102 people in the building. All right, let's get this party started. So, AMC, I know what I want to say. GME. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. This is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. This video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence for buying any stock or crypto asset. That being said, I'm going to show you guys my research and due diligence. Let's go ahead and hop into charts, facts, data right now. We're going to talk about AMC, GME, Bitcoin, SPY, and much more in this video. We're going to start with the meme stocks here. Also, I want to tell you guys something about BTC. It is pumping. Crypto is pumping. Bitcoin could see more downside on the long term unless this happens. We're going to break that down at the end of the video, so make sure you guys watch to the end, especially if you hold cryptocurrency, XRP, Ethereum, anything like that. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys what's going on here for GME. GME is at a critical level right now of 2315, okay? If we can get up there and break and hold 2315, you're going to see a nasty move to the upside if you do see GME hold that major level of support and resistance. And if GME warrants are able to break and hold $4, you're going to see a nasty move to the upside for GME warrants. Guys, just take a look at what GME warrants have done. You guys can see off of the lows, they are up over 50%. So again, if GME goes over $32, these warrants are going to go insane in value. So everybody who got those warrants for free, these could end up paying out as well, especially if GME rallies and or squeezes. You could either use them to execute or just sell them into the open market, but these things are going to go crazy if GME continues this pumpage. Now, what I'm expecting here for GME is, I told you guys, a pullback. It's starting to lose momentum. You can see that the MACD is starting to curl down here. RSI is still running extremely hot. So if we did hold the 2315, you'd probably see a quick pop to the upside and then a drop down. I still think this fractal is in play, and at the very least, this falling wedge is in play, and this falling wedge has us coming up to at least $25 to $28. We also have all of those gap fills to the upside, but I want you guys to take note of what we're seeing here. It looks like we are starting to form that topping pattern here on the overall fractal here for GME. You guys can see that we come up, we make a peak, and then we come back down, we make another peak, a double top, and then we come down, which is what I believe we're gonna see happen. Now, I want you guys to take notice of these buy orders right here. These buy orders are sitting at about 22.33 all the way down to about 22.02, 22.04. Now, interestingly enough, right around the gap fill on the daily time frame, you guys can see that there's a gap fill here on the 4-hour time frame, and on the daily time frame, that gap is right around 21.83 to 22.04. So they have buy orders literally sitting right around this gap fill. I believe that GME is going to pop to the upside potentially if we do hold that 2315, get that pop to the upside, drop down, come down, fill the gap on the daily time frame, and then continue up from there. I believe that they're waiting to buy down there in that liquidity zone because they know GME is about to move to the upside. I told you guys that when we see GME get to these oversold conditions and also bouncing off of this overall floor of $18 to $20, that's when we normally see GME make these big moves to the upside. You guys can see every time we came down to it, we rallied up, we rallied up, we rallied up. So again, with this falling wedge in play, this fractal in play, all of these gap fills that we have to the upside, it leads me to believe that GME is going to make a higher low and push to the upside, but we are starting to top out in my personal opinion. We could see a nice little pop up if we do hold that 2315, but again, I think we're going to see pullback, and if you do see that pullback, don't freak out. Now, as far as AMC is concerned, AMC did come down to that $2.30 level. I told you we'd have to come down and retest that. I also told you guys in the weekly outlook and prediction that this week is most likely going to start slow, and then things are going to start to pick up, and that both of the meme stocks should be able to close up on a green week. GME is up on the week right now. AMC is slightly down as it came down, consolidated, and what I believe we're going to see for AMC is a bit of consolidation, holding $2.30, maybe coming down just a little bit lower, but we'll probably mainly hold $2.30 and then be able to push back up towards $2.40 and potentially even as high as $2.50 here for AMC, as I believe that AMC heading into that December 10th is actually going to see a bit of recovery based off of the overall technicals we're seeing here. You guys can see that we've broken above this sloping support and resistance, which has had us in a downtrend for quite some time. We've been in an overall downtrend here for AMC for over 7 weeks. Last week, I was able to call the first green week that we had in quite some time. As you guys can see, we've just been trending down, 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 down. RSI getting to those beat down territories on the lower time frames, even coming outside the band here on the weekly time frame. Then we got that bounce. We got that nice green week last week, 11% up to the upside, and I believe we should be able to pull off one here as we start to move to the upside here in the later half of the week. So don't worry, AMC holders. I do think we are going to recover, but I want you guys to be aware of this. We have massive volatility incoming here for AMC and GME because we have so many events coming up. So again, AMC is projected to do nice over the holidays with some of the movies coming out. We have Avatar coming out as well, and then the box office is projected to do well. And we have GME Q3 earnings coming up on December 9th. AMC proxy vote coming up on December 10th. Both of these things have the ability to change the fundamentals and the trajectory of the meme stocks greatly. Now, if GME is able to do another double beat, things could get wild, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be 2 double beats in a row. GME crushed last earnings. If it's able to just do 2 double beats, that would be insane. I believe that we are going to see profitability off of the collectibles. Pokemon's been going absolutely crazy. They haven't been able to keep product on the shelf. So I think GME is going to do well on earnings. They might be a little bit down on their Bitcoin position, depending on where Bitcoin is at on that time. At this time frame, it doesn't look like they'll be up on that. They might slightly be down on that, but overall, I think GME is going to be profitable, and this is going to be big news for us. Now, we also have Jolt's report on December 9th, and on December 10th, we have Fed interest rate decision. So 9th and 10th are going to be insane. Volatility is about to start picking up, and things are about to start getting wild. Now, as far as cost to borrow and shares available to short, they only have 1.6 million here for AMC here at time of recording at a cost to borrow of 0.48%. They are running low on short shares here for AMC. We want to see that cost to borrow definitely go higher, but that fact that they've been pretty low on short shares is actually a bullish sign that we'll be able to maintain those levels and potentially push up here in the end of the week like we're looking for. And then right now here for GME, we have 4.7 million short shares at time of recording at 0.48% cost to borrow. Cost to borrow has been spiking for GME, so watch for that. That can happen randomly here for GME. It's been happening the past couple of days, and if we get cost to borrow to go over 1% and remain above 1%, that is going to be extremely bullish, and that's definitely a good sign for us. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at for the meme stocks. There wasn't too much news going on. We did have that Michael Burry thing, if you guys aren't aware of that, but I've been talking about that in my past couple of videos. Michael Burry shared some conversations between him, Ryan Cohen, and Roaring Kitty. If you guys want to check those out, they're on his Twitter/X, and then I also posted them as well. But that helped drive a little bit of speculation and get things going here for GME, and that's also some bullish news as well, and adding a little bit of speculation for GME. Just remember, those warrants are going to pop off as GME gets closer and closer to $32. And based off all of the technicals, it looks like GME is about to see a decent rally, but we could see a little bit of pullback before that happens, and it looks like the market makers are set up for that, as they do have those buy orders ready, and they're waiting at that gap fill. Let's go ahead and go into SPY in the overall market and show you guys what's going on there, and then we will go into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and show you guys what's going on there. So SPY currently tracking with my prediction here. We could see a little bit of downside heading into close here for SPY, but overall on the macro, SPY is starting to form a potential very bullish signal. As you guys can see, RSI is now cooled down as SPY is consolidated, and it's potentially forming this bullish price structure right here, where you could see SPY make a nasty pop to the upside if it does break and hold 683.50. If it holds that level as support, you're going to see a decent push to the upside towards that 685 price target. I told you guys things could start slow here in the beginning of the week, but by the end of the week, you should see a slight green week here for SPY, and it looks like we are on track for that. Now, we do want to be aware of the data drop tomorrow. We got ISM Services PMI dropping tomorrow at 11 a.m., so be prepared for that. That's definitely going to cause some volatility and shake things up. Now, as far as the technicals are concerned for SPY, it's starting to build bullish momentum here on the smaller time frames. I think it could take a little bit of time, but I think SPY is going to end up pushing back towards 683, 684 tomorrow, in my personal opinion, and I still think that 685 price target is on track here for SPY this week. In my personal opinion, I do think we will see that happening here this week. Now, again, you want to see if SPY break above at least 684 to have that nasty move to the upside that we're looking for, breaking out of this overall bullish price structure. But it looks like SPY is setting up for a decent move, and NASDAQ is tracking with this prediction. We have this gap fill to the upside for NASDAQ as well. I think NASDAQ wants to fill that gap fill to the upside, and we are tracking with this prediction. And if NASDAQ goes up, it's going to take SPY with it. Remember, NASDAQ is the leader. It's the one really moving things and controlling things. If NASDAQ pushes up, SPY is definitely going to push up. A lot of concentration in the tech AI centers, so that is why we're seeing NASDAQ really control everything. Again, S&P 500, it's made up of a lot more companies, but the NASDAQ is where everything is really focused and centered with that AI tech bubble that we're in a bubble, in my personal opinion, that we're in. So this is what we're looking at for SPY in the overall market. I do think we could see some a little bit of pullback here heading in the close, maybe even heading into tomorrow's pre-market, But when it's all said and done, I think SPY is actually going to be pushing up towards at least 684, 685, possibly as early as tomorrow. So that's what we're looking at for SPY in the overall market. Let's go ahead and move into BTC crypto, show you guys what's going on there, and then we will wrap up this video. So Bitcoin and crypto getting nasty moves to the upside. Bitcoin here at time of recording up 5%, Ethereum up 6%, XRP up 7%, Cardano ADA up over 11.5%, heading towards potentially even 50 cents here. Cardano ADA getting a lot of recovery. XRP is going to start seeing massive inflows. They're trying to shake you out, ladies and gentlemen, in my personal opinion. Again, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. Right now, we're still in extreme fear. Extreme fear is buy signals, in my personal opinion, and based off of my research and what I've seen being in the overall stock and crypto market. When it's extreme fear, that's normally signs of bottoms, even if it's just a local bottom, and then extreme greed is normally the signs of tops, and this is what we've been seeing consecutively and consistently. So again, they're trying to shake you out. We're in extreme fear. BTC will most likely do what I said in yesterday's video, where I said we'll come up, we will break down, we'll make a lower high and break down and potentially go towards those macro bearish targets of like 75 to 60K. Okay, BTC will most likely do that unless, and this is what I talked about in the beginning of the video, it's able to break above and hold the bull market trend line, pushing back above 100K and reclaiming 100K. That could show a sign of recovery. And if SPY makes that breakout of that bullish K level, there's a lot of buy orders here. So BTC could see a nasty push back to the upside. So what you're really looking for, and again, you want to like and subscribe because this is a developing situation, and I need to see if we get back above this overall bull market trend line. This is a huge trend line that we've been holding this whole entire time as we climb to the upside towards my price targets, which I gave a long time ago. We've been climbing up, 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 up. We have now broken below that trend line. And if we cannot get back above that trend line, we are going to reject down and go down into these lower levels, lower liquidity pocket, then find a bounce is what I think would happen. I don't think we're going to go much lower than 60K in my personal opinion. But if we are able to get back above this trend line, and I see us hold the trend line and get back above 100K, holding 100K, that could set us up for a nasty move back towards, believe it or not, all-time highs. And the reason why I think this potentially is possible is because some of the bullish developments we're seeing. We're still seeing a push for crypto in the USA. Trump is still very pro-crypto. We're also seeing these ETFs come out. We're also seeing more and more strategic reserves. We're seeing more and more companies buy Bitcoin and use it as reserves. So we're seeing a lot of underlying bullish things happening while all of this fear is in the market. And normally when that's the case, when you see all of these bullish things happening, but there's a lot of fear, that's normally when it's the best time to hop on things, and normally when you see decent recoveries. Now, I don't want to be overly bullish because there are those potential downside bearish price targets. And if Bitcoin came down that low, you're going to see ETH come down to like 2K, 1.5. It would be a slaughter if Bitcoin came down to 60K. You would see XRP down like 160, 150. Obviously, those would be buy zones. Anything under $2 is a buy zone for me, in my personal opinion. XRP, you guys can see anyone who bought down there would actually be up here on the short term. Obviously, I'm long term, but that could be a quick trade, up 28% off of the lows. XRP is. So again, be greedy when others are fearful, fearful when others are greedy. Bitcoin is going to be controlling the market. So if Bitcoin were able to see this recovery, I'll let you guys know. We need to get back above 100K, but if we do not get back above that bull market trend line, that means the bull market is over. I'm standing by that. And if we reject from that, that means we're going into a bear market. So I believe we could see a potential recovery for Bitcoin. It's looking very, very bullish. Daily MACD, green, RSI, plenty room to run, bands tightening up. It looks like Bitcoin wants to push back for 100K, and I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin's here at 100K within the next couple of weeks, and we are talking about a potential full-on recovery. So this is what we're looking at for the crypto market. If Bitcoin makes that recovery, you're going to see XRP push up. You're going to see your favorite altcoins push up. XRP with the ETFs could go crazy, potentially making even a new all-time high, and BTC could potentially make a new all-time high as well. So this is what we're looking at for the crypto market. Right now, Bitcoin dominance sitting at 57.4%. So again, if Bitcoin pumps, altcoins are going to pump. If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins are going to dump. As you can see across the board, altcoins are pretty green for today. Bitcoin's up 5-6%. So you'll see altcoins up anywhere from like 5 to 10, maybe even 15%, as you guys can see here across the board. So this is your daily outlook prediction for stocks and crypto. Listen, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. So few people watching the end, and that helps me out with the algorithm. I appreciate that. If you want to support for absolutely free, just hit that like button and subscribe. This was recorded live, so make sure you guys check out my live streams. Put the bell notification on. That way you do know when I go live. But make sure you do this most of all. Make sure you have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. You can also check out the merch store, linked in the comment section and description below. All right, that's how you do it. One and done, baby. All right, did SPY track? Okay, it pushed up a little bit higher. Still rough tracking. AMC and GME is terrible. No one likes it. No, you just don't like it. Type a 1 in the chat if you like AMC and GME. But that's okay. You don't have to like it. And you can still be welcomed here. It's about stocks and crypto in general. But I'm going to talk about AMC and GME. Nah, she's cool. She just doesn't like. She just doesn't like AMC and GME. Oh, GameStop has a gap fill to the upside. Heck? Why is it acting weird? What the heck? It's so weird. I've been trying to make my videos like 15 minutes. Like 14, 15 minutes, but sometimes it's hard to cover everything. Yeah, SPY's definitely pushing up here. It's built a lot of bullishness. Oh, we're at 90 likes. How'd we do it? We're at 90 likes. I've only been live for 2.5 hours. Damn, I started late. It's gonna be a 3-hour live stream. Shout out Danny Lamb, Todd, Kenneth Investment, Disruption, Fall Product, Chris, DW, Fishy Friends. I didn't see your super chat. I'm so sorry, brother. Fishy Friends, I did not see your super chat. That's why I always double check.
$LUMN having a nice day.
I checked out Lumen though. I checked out Lumen for just because. I checked it out before you sent the super chat. But sorry I missed your super chat, bro. The heck? Hopefully you're listening. I made no money today, damn. Did you play Spy Call or Spy Put? Some days you don't have to trade though. Some days it's better not to trade. Oh my God, it's tracking. Oh my God, it's tracking. Yo, this is why you never doubt yourself. This is why you never doubt yourself. This is why you never doubt yourself. Oh my God. You don't have XRP? You don't have Bitcoin? You don't have anything? GME's up. You don't have GME warrants? You made some money today. Stop lying. I just realized how crazy it looks when I'm clapping. It looks kind of crazy. I need videos for the second channel. I need a full video. I'm uploading the video right now that I just made. I leave December 26th. December 26th, I leave. How you draw that line, stare on spies? You gotta use a poly line, it's called. It's been tracking for over an hour. It's been tracking for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours since I got online. It's been tracking 4 hours plus. It's been, oh no, I've only been live for 3 hours. It's been tracking for 3 hours. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's 1. That's 2. 2.5 hours, exactly. It's been tracking, son. Just trust your instincts. Oh yeah, remember I'm not April. Oh yeah, I remember, brother. You could have played SMX. SMX is a player. I'm telling you, it's about to push up. SMX is about to go to $60, bro. SMX is about to go to $60. Not financial advice. I bet you SMX. I bet you this jump push up. Watch. SMX is about to push up. SMX is about to push up. ACHR went to 112, like I said, or ASST went to 112, 115, like I said. There's plenty of plays, bro. Matter of fact, I'm about to put this in the Discord, bro. It might even do a new high. There's a reason why this drone's on my watch list. I think this thing comes back up. It's not a bull flag, no. It's not a bull flag. It would have to build out longer. GameStop's ready to pull back for that. What's GMEU?
Hey killer, can I get a GMEU check?
Is that the 2x leverage? I think I have a Alright, so we need to just put this here. And since it's leverage, it's gonna pull back further. Definitely gonna top out, bro. Definitely about to top out. Definitely about to top out, come back down like GameStop, and then come back up. Thank you for the $2 super chat, bro.
Hey killer, can I get a GMEU
Yeah, definitely gonna
check?
be pulling back, dude, and then coming back down to like 1040, 10 bucks. SPY 5-minute MACD is about to go red. Could definitely pull back in the close a little bit. We have 10 minutes remaining, 10 minutes remaining, 10 minutes remaining. Thank you guys for all the support today. You guys were insane. For real, thank you. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we have 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. Three more likes to get DZ is hungry. Please, 3 more likes, please. Yeah, GameStop's dumping. So GameStop's dumping, man, as expected. Two minutes remaining, 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes remaining. I like your weekly outlook prediction for Amy. I think we will make a higher low near 225 and then move up. I think we might actually hold the 230. We might come back up here. We might go like I said, a little bit lower, like 227, but I don't know if 225. I don't know if we're gonna have to hit that or not. We might, but that meme stock's definitely about to pull back. Like I said, we're definitely at that topping point. If you look at like what I was talking about. We're definitely at that topping point, right? You know what I mean? All right, that's it. Market is closed. 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 Hopefully you guys made some money today. Market is closed. So make sure you guys tune in for the video. The video will be up in a couple of minutes. It should be up by like 4:30, 5 o'clock at the latest. GameStop closed at 22.82. GameStop warrants 394. AMC 230. SPY 681.43. Look at SPY. Tracked perfectly with the prediction. SPY tracked perfectly with the prediction. Like and subscribe for predictions like these. SPY tracked perfectly. Crazy. 681.43. Bitcoin's current price 91,100. Ethereum 2,983. XRP 217. Type a 1 in the chat if it's fire that the SPY prediction track. Nah, I appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to everybody who showed love today. Shout out to Todd, Danny Lamb, Caneth Investments, Disruption of All Products, Chris, DW, Fishy Friends, and Rick. Thank you guys for real, man. I appreciate it. If you guys want to support for free, just hit that like button and subscribe. Short stream today. Little 3-hour stream. We had a peak of like 110 people. $11 brand new members. Thank you guys. $11 brand new members today, guys. 11 brand new members. Thank you all for watching today. Yeah, Jimmy's breaking this trend line too. We're about to come down. Jimmy's about to come down. We're breaking the trend line. We're about to pull back. See ya, Bano, DW. Get rich together. DZ Mom, Kai Supreme, Black Entertainment. $100 likes achieved. 100 likes achieved. Thank you. All right, guys, I got to make this thumbnail for the video and then release the video. So as always, family, I'll see you guys on the video. Make sure you have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. And tune in tomorrow for another live stream and another video. Peace. All right, family. Video coming out. Peace. And thank you for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all. Tune in tomorrow. Video coming out in a few minutes. Thank you guys for a great stream, guys. You guys have been really generous, and I'm grateful. Oh, and we did get 1,000 views on the video that I was trying to get 1,000 on. So thank you guys. We got 1,000 views on the yesterday's video. Is the one I was trying to get. It will show up. It's showing up on my end. So I appreciate y'all. Peace, everyone.